we're going to be testing out this Tarte Tarteist Double Take eyeliner. This is what it looks like. I will leave it listed down below in the description just in case it works out good and you're interested in getting it. If you love liquid liner and you also like to do your bottom, then this would be a good option. So I will do swatches and I'll do the eye so you can see. This retails for $12. This is the mini size, and they also have it in the regular size, which is $24. And these are like matte versions. I believe they also have one in metallic. So here it is. Okay, this is all you get. But remember, this is the mini, so if you just want to try it out, and just twist it back in. And now let's see the liquid liner. Before we get started, if you're new, welcome. My name is Jenz BeautyStyle, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy. I will be leaving a playlist of all the liners that I have reviewed. I always review several liquid liners for you. So let me do some swatches first. Oh, that is nice. Easy. I like that this is not the one that you have to sharpen. Oh my god, I knew this was gonna happen. See, it broke. Completely my fault. You can't take it out too much. These things are really sensitive. There it is. So I did waste all of this now because it broke. Now let's see how this works. But I do use liquid liner every day, so let's see if it's easy for me to use. Okay, so that's interesting. Like, first thoughts, like I'm having to go back and forth several times. Some other eyeliners, like just with one swipe, like it shows up immediately, but I'm just having to go into like fill out some spaces. You don't have to do the line like I'm doing it. I'm just showing you how this works. So I'm just quickly gonna do a wing and see how well does it apply there. It came out thicker than I would like, but I mean, it's easy to use and you can tell it's really black and it's really matte. Seems to be dry. Let me quickly do this eye. I know the lines are not similar because my hand is not steady at all. I'll try to fix this one, but I'm not gonna stay here doing that because we'll take forever here. But let's try to apply now the bottom lash line and see. So when you have a pointy liner is better than this because mine broke. But right now I can't complain. It's looking good. I usually like to put liner in my bottom lash because I think it makes like the brown eye look lighter. I just apply on this eye. It's not bad. I personally wouldn't just leave it like this because it will smudge for me. I have not found any like pencil eyeliner that won't smudge, like on the bottom line at least. Just do this to the swatch of the liquid liner. Look at that, nothing. And oh my god, both of them? Oh no way, really? I thought that would smudge. That's insane. This is liquid, this is the pencil. I mean, that's really good. Vegan, waterproof, 12-hour wear. If you don't use either liquid liner, then what's the point of this, right? Or if you do use both formulas, then this is a great idea to have. And I would like to purchase the big size for sure because, like I said, I use liquid liner all the time. Now I can finally put my mascara on. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this helped, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!